This is a Kingston Model L-4. It is for sale, and I'm going to put the price in the description. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. So it's been a hell of a week. We had death in the family, getting a new office. We've got carburetors to assemble and sell. I'm about to show you how we're going to put that together. It's all been cleaned a dozen times because I was trying to get it to turn back to the brass color, but it's bronze. I did get the screws back to brass, the plate back to brass. It's all clean. We got it all back together again, and I'm going to show you how we did that in about 10 seconds. But before we get to that, yeah, we're rebuilding and selling carburetors today. So, and if anybody knows what that's supposed to be for, let me know. It's a mystery. Here we go. Okay, welcome back everybody. I promised you a reinstallation, reassembly video of this carburetor now that it's clean, so let's get on with it. I bought some new parts here. A new spring, and I guess it came with a pin, but I'm not sure exactly what the pin's for. We got our new spring. We got this pin, which yeah, I'm not sure where that goes. No clue. Spring we're going to have to figure out, but to get going, a little old school gasoline safe sealant for here. Just a little bit ought to do it. Just a little bit. Then we're going to take our drain, stick that in the hole. I'm going to put the nut on the inside, which is going to be very difficult for you to see, but it's a nut on the inside. So we're going to take our wrench on the outside. We're going to hold that. And we're going to tighten that up so that doesn't leak. Snug, snug. That's one ugga dugga if anybody wants the precise measurement. And we've got to put our float back together. This carburetor is for sale. By the time you see this, it'll be for sale, and I will ship it flat rate anywhere in the continental United States, if I can get it back in one piece. That should just slide right in there. I don't know what is going on, but it's stuck. Get a little burr on there. I did not anticipate a burr. A little bit of sandpaper. Shouldn't take much. Get the other side. You won't find a cleaner one, that's for sure. Now, is it going to go through? Okay. Back on. Nope, we missed. Good grief. Now nothing holds that in place. The bowl itself holds it. After the bowl goes on, it can't come out. So that's alright. And we're going to set the float height to about halfway. I think we need to come up just a little bit. I think I went a little too far. Let's try it again. Right there. Alright. I'm just verifying that the float itself is actually working. I don't know what is on my tools, but ooh, this is a clean job. Somebody put that screwdriver away dirty. Now onto the bowl. The bowl. We got the bowl on. We got the copper crush washer. We've got the brass nut that I half polished. Maybe it goes this way. That's better. Oh wait, nope. I'm glad you said something. I'm going to put the gasket on first. This will just help keep it from sloshing out when we're driving. I am using the old gasket. I didn't get a new one. Maybe I should have. No, I think we're alright. If we can get it under it. Yeah, I think we're okay. Washer, nut. One ugga dugga. Hold on, here it comes. Oop, there it is. Okay, next we need to put the throttle back in. I think this is the one that had the. Let me get a bit of. Ow, that hurt. A bit of dust in there. I'm going to blow that out real quick. That's better. We don't want dust in our fuel make it happener. That's not the right one. This is the right one. Okay, here we go. Whew, that's tight. That is tight. This is the fuel one. They're different sizes. Looks like the choke is the one that needs to line up. This has got little tabs on it. See if it'll focus. And this goes in, and then these two stop it, and then that one pops out a little bit. So we need a little tappity tap on that. When in doubt, use a wrench. Almost. There we go. Now this one's going to be still. Somebody tell me what that goes to, because it came in the. It was a kit specifically for the Kingston L-4, and I needed it for the carburetor spring, which goes on this post somehow, like that, I assume. But then we need to. Oh, I see. There's a hole here. Okay. This we're learning together. Okay. And then this goes in. Goes on. Oh, this has got to go like that. This stuff I work on is really fiddly. That wasn't working. Almost. I don't know how I'm going to get those holes to line up. I think it's got to come up a little. Now, with any luck, it works. All right, let's cut this wire down. I'm going to go about that far. Hopefully we can get it to go in both. That one lines up a little bit. Okay. Got to be a better way to do this. Got to be a better way to do this. Actually, I don't know it. Definitely don't want to lose that wire down in there. Thinking. Pound this flat so it matches what it was. Okay. And then we bend these over. How's that? It's good to me. Okay, we got one more part to put on here. Then we can start the bidding war. This goes down in here. This screws on. And then this, we're going to run this down gently. Gently to the bottom. Okay, so that's right at the bottom. We're going to go back half, 1.5. That ought to get you going. And we're going to tighten this up just a little more so that it's got some snugness to it and doesn't rattle open. Okay, so there you have it. One mystery rod, one refurbished carburetor, cleaned like you would not believe. If you haven't seen those videos, go back through the playlist. This is a Kingston Model L-4. It is for sale, and I'm going to put the price in the description because I want to be able to take it off when it sells. So if you would like to buy this beautiful, so clean you could eat off it carburetor for your Model T or other, let me know. we'll put it up. I'm thinking either PayPal or through YouTube itself. I'm not sure how I'm going to accept payments yet. I don't have the capacity to accept credit cards any other way, so it'll be shipped when payment is made, and I will put the information in the bottom. There is a little bit of a drip on here, so you know. If you don't like to look at it, there's no drip on this side. You can just turn the bowl. So yep, been quite the week. So send me an email if you would like to own that, and I'm going to move on to the next project.